This is a video for lot number 565. It's a Craftsman 16-gallon wet dry shop vac. Right now it is a wet vac because there is no filters when you bid on this. And you can bid on this online only. November 30th, 2025 to December 7th. That's Sunday to Sunday, a 7-day auction. $2 opening bid, 16-gallon Craftsman vacuum cleaner. It's arcoxauctions.hibid, HIBID.com. arcoxauctions.hibid.com. $2 opening bid starting Sunday, November 30th. This is a local pickup only, and you can pick it up the Thursday or Friday evening from 5:15 to 8 p.m. following the Sunday, December 7th ending of the auction. arcoxauctions.hibid.com.